Once there was a girl named Ria. She lived with her mother, Julia, and her little brother, Bob. Ria studied in class 4, and Bob was in class 1. Their father had passed away a few years ago. Ria still remembered his gentle smile and the stories he used to tell. Since then, Julia had been working as a maid in a big house. Ria often saw her mother come home tired, yet she always smiled. Ria understood that life was not easy for them, and she wanted to help in any way she could. One early morning, Julia woke up Ria and Bob.
"Time to get ready, kids,"
she said softly, then went to the kitchen. Ria helped Bob get dressed and combed his hair neatly. After getting ready, they came into the kitchen. Julia placed bread, butter, and tea on the table. Bob looked at the bread and said innocently,
"Mom, I want French toast and juice."
Julia paused, her eyes showing a flicker of sadness. Then she quickly smiled.
"Today we have bread and butter, my son. Eat it nicely."
Ria stepped in gently. She spread butter on her slice and took a bite.
"See, Bob? It's yummy too."
Bob hesitated, then took a small bite.
"Yum! This is good,"
he said, munching happily. Julia watched them smiling. After breakfast, Ria and Bob grabbed their bags and set off for school. One weekend, Ria went to the grocery store with her mother and Bob. Julia picked up rice, oil, and vegetables, putting each item carefully into the cart. Ria's eyes stopped at something beautiful. A Barbie doll. She slowly went to the shopkeeper.
"Uncle, how much is this doll?"
$150.
He replied. Ria's heart sank. It was too much. Just then Julia came.
"Let's go, Ria."
Ria held Bob's hand and walked out quietly. That night, Ria could not sleep. She stared at the ceiling.
"I really want that doll."
Then suddenly she smiled.
"Mom gives me $1 every day for pocket money. I can save it."
She hugged her pillow and closed her eyes happily. The next day, the bell rang for break. Ria and her friend, Emmy, came into the playground.
"Let's go to the canteen,"
Emmy said excitedly. Ria shook her head.
"No, I'm not coming."
Emmy looked surprised.
"Why?"
"I'm saving my money. I want to buy a Barbie doll."
Emmy smiled and went alone. After some time, she returned with sandwiches and fries.
"Here,"
Emmy said, offering her a sandwich.
"No, you eat."
Ria hesitated.
"We are friends."
Emmy smiled.
"Now eat this." I hope you get your doll soon.
Ria held the sandwich and smiled softly.
Thank you.
She took a small bite. Both started talking happily. Days passed. One night, Ria counted her savings on her bed. She gasped.
It's enough.
She ran to the kitchen. Julia was cooking spaghetti. Bob was coloring in the lounge.
Mom,
Ria said excitedly.
I saved my money. I didn't buy anything from the canteen. I can buy the doll now.
Julia smiled.
I'm so proud of you, my dear. We'll go tomorrow.
Ria smiled and started putting the plates on the table. The next day, Julia took Ria and Bob to the shop. Just before buying the Barbie doll, Bob pointed at a toy car.
Mom, can you get me this?
Julia opened her mouth, but Ria gently pressed her hand. She looked at Bob and smiled.
Sure, Bob.
Julia hesitated but couldn't say no. She bought the car. Bob was so happy, and Ria felt glad seeing him smile. After a few days, one night, Ria and Bob were doing their homework when Julia came home with a shopping bag.
Ria, see what's for you.
Ria's eyes lit up as Julia took out the Barbie doll. Ria held the doll, eyes wide.
Mom, how did you get this? It's so expensive.
Julia smiled.
When the guest came to Mam's house last week, I did some extra work. Mam paid me a little extra, so I bought it for you.
Ria hugged the doll tightly.
Thanks, Mom.
Just then, Bob interrupted.
Ria, when your doll needs to go shopping, she can take my car.
Ria and Julia smiled at each other. Moral: family love is the greatest gift.